Here's the SEO myth worth killing first. It's not a black box and it's not a secret trick. It's a ranking signal you can actually learn to read. One Skillshare class breaks that signal into ranking factors, myths, and a working strategy, taught by the co-founder of Moz. 81,900 students have followed him in. This is Introduction to SEO, Tactics and Strategy for Entrepreneurs, taught by Rand Fishkin, 12 lessons, 90 minutes, built for founders and marketers who want real traffic. Here's the plan: why search still matters, what the ranking factors survey found, how strategy becomes real pages, and what 81,900 students had to say. Lesson 2 opens with a chart that should worry every marketing budget. Nearly a third of all web traffic flows through search, and 82% of the clicks it produces land on organic results, not ads. That's not a rounding error. That's where the audience actually is. Yet across most companies, roughly 80% of the marketing budget still chases the other 18%, the paid slice. Everyone's fighting over the small piece. That gap is your opportunity. And search isn't just big, it's timely. A person searching already wants the thing right now. Billboards, radio, TV, they're all guessing you'll need this later. Search already knows. Chapter 2, Who's Teaching? Rand Fishkin, founder and former CEO of Moz, the Seattle software company built entirely around making search engines easier to understand. And these days, the founder of SparkToro. His mission, in his own words, make search and social more transparent for the people trying to earn attention from them. Moz's own biennial ranking factors study is the backbone of this class. Which raises the real question: if a co-founder of Moz can't make SEO simple, who can? No jargon for jargon's sake, just the actual mechanics, lesson by lesson. Chapter 3, What's Actually Inside? Inside, it's 90 minutes across 12 lessons. An overview of why search matters, the ranking factors data, the myths that need killing, and a full strategy walkthrough from keywords to crawlability. And the ordering is deliberate. Myths get cleared before tactics arrive, so nothing you learn later has to fight an old, wrong belief. Only once the wrong ideas are gone does the class hand you the actual strategy. Audience, keywords, content, and the technical basics that keep Google crawling your pages at all, the boring part everyone skips. 12 lessons, most under 12 minutes, watchable over lunch, built to change how you publish for years. Now the data behind the algorithm. Every 2 years, Moz surveys around 150 working SEOs and correlates real ranking data to find out what actually moves a page up the results. The findings surprise people. Domain-level links lead at just under 15%, with page-level links right behind it, almost tied. Two different kinds of links, both worth chasing deliberately. That's the whole picture worth sitting with. The top ranking factor and the smallest one are only about 7 percentage points apart. Nothing dominates. Keyword and content signals matter, technical crawlability matters, engagement matters. Google's algorithm is a blend, not a single lever, which is exactly why one-trick SEO advice keeps failing. There's no shortcut hiding in that data. Then the class turns combative. 3 myths that have survived 15 years past their expiration date, and Rand takes them apart one at a time, starting with the oldest one of all. Myth 1, by the exact match domain name, it might nudge one keyword slightly, but it wrecks your branding everywhere else. Amazon never called itself by everything.com. Best practice branding beats a keyword-stuffed domain almost every time. Myth 2, repeat the keyword until the page ranks. That worked in the 1990s. Today it reads as spam, and spam sends visitors straight back to the search results. A signal Google reads as clearly as you do. Serve the visitor and the keyword takes care of itself naturally and honestly. Myth 3, SEO is mostly meta tags. Mostly no, your title element still matters, it's your snippet in the results. But stuffing invisible tags nobody sees was never the game. The visible pages, myths cleared, now the actual strategy. Lesson 7 is where theory becomes a page. Know your audience, research the keywords they actually type, build content around what they need, and place that keyword intelligently in the title and naturally through the body. Serve the visitor first, and most of the ranking work follows on its own. It's less a checklist now and more just good judgment applied consistently. That's the whole shift in the class. Write for the reader, not the crawler. On-page optimization isn't a checklist of tricks anymore, it's just good writing with a keyword in the right places, which leaves one piece Google still needs from you directly: a page it can actually reach. No amount of good writing matters if the crawler never finds the page in the first place. Lesson 8 is the technical half, crawl friendliness. Google finds pages by following links, so bury one too deep and it gets crawled less and ranks worse. Rand's rule of thumb: keep every page within 3 clicks of your homepage, which comfortably covers a site up to 10 million pages. Past that scale, the 3-click rule can reasonably relax a little. And when 2 pages carry near-identical content, a printable version say, a canonical tag tells search engines which one should actually earn the ranking. Small technical habit, real consequence. 1 clear page competing for the keyword instead of 2 pages fighting each other for nothing. Now, here's the one point that ties the whole class together. Because after the factors, the myths, and the strategy, Rand ends on the one variable that undoes everyone anyway, not tactics, patience. SEO gets treated like paid ads, spend and see results, and that expectation is exactly backwards. The class is blunt about it. Unless you're the luckiest 1% of 1%, nothing moves in the first few months. Rankings build the way trust builds, slowly, from real content, real links, and real engagement, compounding long after the work is done. Which is the real culture shift Rand's asking for. Treat SEO as a long-term investment, not a campaign with a deadline. 90 minutes of tactics, all resting on one word, patience. That's the theory cover to cover. Now for the students' verdict in numbers. So, does it deliver? 94% of students said the class met or exceeded expectations. 56% said it flat out exceeded them. And on the most liked board, engaging teacher takes the top spot with 672 votes. Clarity of instruction, organization of lessons, helpful examples, and audio and video quality all cluster close behind it. A dense, technical subject taught like it isn't one. Engaging teacher topping the board for a ranking algorithm class is the real tell. Rand's reputation as an explainer holds up exactly where it's tested hardest, on the driest possible material. So who's it for? Founders and marketers who need traffic, not theory. Developers and designers who build sites but never learn to earn an audience for them. And anyone who's been told SEO is a black box. It isn't, and this class proves it lesson by lesson. Because underneath the factors, the myths, and the strategy, the whole class keeps circling back to one blunt instruction. 6 words carry the whole 90 minutes. Stop chasing the algorithm. Serve the person searching. That's the whole trick, and it's the one thing keyword stuffing never could fake. No exact match domain, no stuffed keyword, no hidden meta tag ever faked genuine usefulness, and none of them ever will. So the verdict, worth 90 minutes comfortably. You leave with the actual ranking factors, 3 myths cleared for good, and a strategy you can apply to any site on any platform. It's included with a Skillshare membership, and there's a free trial. So the real cost is just the 90 minutes. 90 minutes now versus months of guessing later. That trade was always going to be worth it. One last thing before you go. Don't go searching for the class. Click the link in the description and it's yours free through Skillshare. Watch it once, take the ranking factors seriously, and give the myths a rest for good. Then go earn the click. That's the assignment. See you in the next review.